with Mike Sullivan of FiTech EFI. He's their main mechanic over there, but he also has a hobby of his own, and that is racing cars. Mike, how long have you been racing cars for?
Long time. Let's see, probably since around 75.
Tell me about this stock car that you're running here today.
Well, this is a Victory Circle stock car. I got it with no engine, transmission, rear end, no interior, radiator, anything like that. So it's got a L83 small block, 5.3 2014 motor, Jericho transmission, 4 to 9 inch. So it can be a handful. You know, it's fun to drive, but it can come around on you real quick.
Do you know how much horsepower the engine's making right now?
Well, we dynoed it. You know, it's a 5.3. It's running E85, but I think it's a 5.3. It only made like 400 to the tire.
Yeah.
So it's doing good against these other cars.
Yeah.
But there's no rules in this organization. You can run anything.
So the 5.3 has some FiTech EFI on it. What kind of like suspension and other parts?
Well, it's coilovers all the way around, and you can adjust the ride height. All you got to do is jack the car up and spin the retainer. Now you don't have to have any tools even to check if you want to change it. Now we made some changes this weekend, and I had to go back to an original setting. It didn't really work like I wanted, but you only make one change at a time.
Have you modified the engine in any way?
The only thing done to the engine is it's got stock pistons, stock rods, stock ring pack, and stock crank, bearings, everything, and put a Brian Tooley Stage 2 cam in it, and locked out the variable valve timing, as well as the displacement on demand.
Okay.
Now, we're going to have a kit coming out with this same setup here pretty soon.
So what else are you going to do to this to make it even faster?
I got to do more refinement on the suspension. I don't care how much horsepower you got. If you can't turn it and brake properly, it's not going to work. It's just going to be a spin-out machine. You know? Yeah. So you got to be able to control the horsepower.
So how many stock cars have you owned so far?
We probably own, let's see, 5 or 6. We've had a dirt car.
Okay.
I didn't like that so much. I like winning, but I didn't like repairing it every weekend.
Yeah.
From damage. Guys that just run into you for no reason.
Yeah. And then you also told a story about how the Mike's Garage sticker got on there, right?
Well, unfortunately, the guy that used to own the car, he had Mike's Garage doors. He never got the car finished. Unfortunately, he passed away. And before he ever got the car finished. So I'm just running it because of him, basically. It just happened to work out. I'm glad his name wasn't Leroy or Bubba or something.
Well, thank you so much, Mike, for showing us this incredible stock car today.